If you enjoy learning how things work and why things are the way that they are, or have you ever looked at a bridge and wondered why certain supports are the way they are, or anything, even having an interest in geography, you could do surveying, and there's so many different things that you could do afterwards, and I think that's really great.
The college takes the time and takes the class out to industry, and I feel that the graduates that come out of Confederation civil program, they have a very broad exposure to the industry, and it just seems that they have a good foundation to build upon.
The highlights for me are probably being outside of the classroom. I'm not much of a in the class type of learner, so being outside, surveying, and in the lab, doing the hands-on labs is just a really good experience for being in the field and actually working.